Morning everyone, we're here at Pukekohe Raceway again. Today is practice and qualifying. Tomorrow is the main battle day. So yeah, today's all the focus is on qualifying, and they've finally got all the markers out now where they want people to enter, and obviously the clipping points. Decam boys and Gal are setting up their trade, well, not trade display, more of like just a, actually yeah, trade display. So yeah, I've been running around this morning trying to steal everyone's Wi-Fi so I can get a video out for you guys. I really got to sort my life out there and get like a little Wi-Fi router or something from the airport. Old Kenny here's helped me out. Thanks bro. He's ignoring me. Anyway, he gave me the password to his broadcasting truck, which he's not allowed to do. So hopefully that video gets up this morning. You guys will obviously know the day prior to this video. We'll have drivers briefing soon. I think they're running a little bit behind schedule, but we can't actually start any cars until these horses have gone home. As you can tell, we would scare the crap out of them. So the joys of having a horse racing track right next to a racetrack. But anyway, I'll go catch up with the guys in a minute. I've just been too busy trying to get this damn video up. Yeah, we'll prep the car quick. You guys did a spanner check yesterday, so it should be all good. And yeah, just gotta make the most of today. So if we cut straight to in-car now, you guys just understand that things are a bit crazy and I can't really do a heap of filming, so. All right, let's do it. It's gonna be a wicked day. All right guys, driver's briefing's done. I'm actually in the broadcasting truck of D1NZ, uploading a video for you guys, just so you know I'm not lying. It's almost there. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up of how much is actually involved behind the scenes here to get a live stream happening. Like, this little truck has 4 people in it. There's no aircon, there's no creature comforts or anything like that. There's stuff going on freaking everywhere. I'm no tech dude, but it looks freaking busy in here. And they have 4 people manning this, literally trying to do everything on the live just so you guys can see it. It's freaking incredible, honestly. And it's obviously free. So huge credit to the whole D1NZ like team. You know, I think there's 30 or 40 people running like the whole track. They're all volunteers, and yeah, this is just incredible. So it's a good little insight. They've got like graphics that Kenny's got to do. There's instant replays happening here. There's like camera control on this one, and from all the live streams I've seen, like, man, there's so many things that could be made. Like, you could make so many mistakes, but they seem to just nail it. So huge credit D1NZ. We're gonna go start practice now. All right, well, once this video is done. All right guys. All right guys, we're going to have the first practice session today. I think we've got 4 in total, or we've got quite a few before qualifying. Qualifying's in the afternoon. So yeah, we're just gonna dial in the car for today and pray that it doesn't rain. But we should be good. We've got comms and everything now. We've got an extra member on the team. Hey, Mads is here. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We're here with Keg. G'day Keg.
What's up, bro?
We're going out for practice session number 2 now.
Yeah, one perfect lap.
Yeah.
Just keep doing that all day.
Yeah, we're gonna try. But things are going well, car's good. It's not pushing too much water out. It's all on me. It's all on me. It's gotta make this. I'm gonna try and do some battle practice. We'll see who's keen on that, but that's what I need to focus on right now. Alright, let's do it. Sessions. So we done 2? We've done 2. Yeah, we've done 2 and we got one qualifying session, one practice session coming up. But look who's rocked up. Hey, Big Brown to the rescue.
Drifting and stickers, mate. Drifting
and stickers. Hell. Now everyone in the grandstand's gonna know this is me and I'm really slow today. But yeah, we're trying to pick up the pace. I really need to run high boost, so we're gonna try and keep the water in there and yeah, we really, man, that rotary Alright guys, last practice session. They're only giving us 1 lap, so I'm just going to go full steam ahead. You would have seen in that last clip, the last lap I did was freaking nuts. Yeah, don't really know what I did, but I just tried to get no wheel spin off the line and just go flat stick into the corner. And I'm entering like the tiniest bit later, so I'll try that again and see if we can do the exact same run. Because if I can do that in qualifying, we're going to get a good number. Let's do it. Apparently we got 191, so yeah, we're going up in speed, which is good. Woo! That feels good. That feels really good. Now it's up to qualifying. We're going to make the most of this, try and get that P1. I don't know if we will, but I'll shoot for it. Alright guys, we've got first qualifying run coming up. Try and put one in the bank. Obviously still try and go hit fast. Wow, flat. My booster's on, we're good to go. Disappointing. Sorry guys, I really have to literally go all out on my second one now. Alright guys, we're going up for our next run now. Wish me luck. Outside clip, it's a terrible run, but it put us in like 15th place, so we're in the game, but man, so disappointed in myself considering what runs I did this morning. So anyway, that's how it is. We're in the battles, that's where it counts. We just got to put everything into the battles now. We've really got to make this work. Alright guys, let's make sure the car's all good. The rear felt a little bit weird then, because it kept sucking in the inside. We'll be right, on to the battles. Gotta look at the positives, we're in the game, that's the main thing. Just give you guys a heads up of what happened yesterday. I'll obviously put this in the right video, but it's the main day now at Pookie. Just don't really want to confuse us all, but yesterday we finished qualifying, and as you can see I drove real bad. But turns out the subframe started splitting and the right rear wheel just towed out like a long way, and that's what was sucking us into the inside of that big sweeper at Pookie. But yeah, we took the car back to Jenkins' house last night, welded all the cracks up and everything. moved the arm back and adjusted the alignment so it's a lot straighter. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how the car handles today. So I think it was progressively getting worse over yesterday, the rear end. But yeah, we got maybe 1 or 2 laps of practice this morning before battles. That's just a wrap of what happened on qualifying day, guys. So we'll see you tomorrow. See you guys.